So now student, we will discuss about the economic infrastructure and social infrastructure. Okay, and in exam sometimes questions comes like the difference or the disparity between economic infrastructure and social infrastructure. Okay, so economic, first we discuss about the economic infrastructure. Economic infrastructure. So economic infrastructure is essentially promote the economic activities. Basically it promotes the economic activity. Basically it promotes the economic basically it promotes the economic activity. Basically it promotes the economic activity means basically it improves the productions and trade of goods and services. Promotes the economic activity means economic infrastructure means economic infrastructure promotes economic activity. Promotes economic activity means it improves the production and trade, that means business of goods and services. That means it directly is related to the needs of production sector. So we very much understand that infrastructure is directly related to the improvement or to the development of production sectors. Without the help of infrastructure, we cannot improve, cannot develop the production sectors. There are some components of economic infrastructures. The components of economic infrastructure are transport, okay, like communication, third is power, fourth is irrigation, fifth is science and technology, sixth is financial institutions. Okay, so economic infrastructure means economic infrastructure promotes the economic activity. Promotes the economic activity means it's improve the production sector. Infrastructure improves or infrastructure gives services to the production sectors. Okay, and that is why there are some components of economic infrastructure. There are some components of economic infrastructures are: number one is transport, power, okay, communication, irrigation, science and technology, financial institutions. All these are the components of infrastructure, and these components always try to improve the production sector, that means goods and services. Without the help of these components of infrastructure, we cannot improve economic infrastructure. Number second is social infrastructure. Economic infrastructure studies about the physical infrastructure. So what we studied economic infrastructure? In economic infrastructure we studied physical infrastructure. Transport is a physical infrastructure, communication is a physical infrastructure, power is a physical infrastructure. So economic infrastructure basically we studies the physical infrastructure. Physical infrastructure cannot create production unless they are efficiently utilized by the human force. So this physical infrastructure is useless. This infrastructure is useless if we cannot utilize this physical infrastructure by the human force, that means by human effort. So if we cannot use the human effort, if we cannot use our human effort in physical infrastructure, then these components of physical infrastructure will be useless. And that is why it is said that the physical infrastructure cannot create production. So physical infrastructure cannot create production, that means until we give our effort to the physical infrastructures, these physical infrastructures will be useless. These infrastructures cannot be utilized. These infrastructures will be useless unless we give our human effort to this physical infrastructure. And that is why it is written here that if physical infrastructure cannot create production unless they are effectively utilized by the human force. So if we cannot effectively give our effort, if we cannot effectively use our knowledge to this physical infrastructure, then these physical infrastructures will be useless. Human resources make use of infrastructure for the purpose of productions. So human resource use? Human resource make use all these infrastructures. Human resource only human resource, that means only the human being, make use this infrastructure. That means we use these physical infrastructures for the purpose of production, for the development of productions. And inefficient and incapable labor force of the economy cannot create wealth. And we also understand that inefficient, that means inefficient, incapable labor force, that means if in our country the labor force are unskilled, untrained, unskilled and untrained, then they cannot utilize these components of physical resources, physical infrastructures. And what we will see that these physical resources, these physical infrastructures cannot create wealth. And that is why inefficient labor force, incapable labor force of the economy cannot create wealth. So to create wealth with the use of these physical infrastructures, our human resource must be efficient. Our human resource must be efficient, must be skilled, must be trained. In order to have an efficient labor force, the quality of human being in the economy should be a very high order. That means here it is said that if we want to efficient our labor force, what we have to do? We have to improve the quality of human being. We have to improve the quality of human being. That means we have to learn the human being, we have to teach human being, we have to train human being, we have to skill human being, we have to give knowledge to the human beings. After that, the quality of human being will improve. So that is why in order to have efficient labor force, if we want efficient labor force, then the quality of human being in the economy should be in high order. That means we have to give high priority, we have to give high importance, we have to give much importance to the improvement of quality of human being. If we can improve the quality of human being, these human being will efficiently utilize these physical resources, physical infrastructures, and these physical infrastructures can develop the production and services. Social infrastructure consists of provision of all those services which improve the quality of human being. So what social infrastructure consists? Social infrastructures consist of all those provisions which can improve the quality of human resources. So in social infrastructures, what we see in social infrastructure, we see in education, we see in health. These are the most important to improve the quality of human being. We know that education, health, these are the two social infrastructures components, and these two components are very, very important to improve the quality of human resources. And that is why it is said that the consist of provision of all these services which improve the quality of human resources. So that means all these provisions, all the infrastructural facilities we have to use to improve the quality of human resources. And for that, what we have to do? Social infrastructure helps to promote education, science, technology, health and housing. So what social infrastructure consists? Social infrastructure consists to promote education, science, technology, health and housing. So all these components will definitely improve the quality of human resources. A good social infrastructure enhances the human productivity and reflects an improvement in the quality of life of the people. So we know that if the social infrastructure improves, this improved social infrastructures definitely will improve the human productivity. That means if we can improve the education, if we improve our education system, our science and technology, our health, our housing, these are the components of social infrastructure. So if we can improve the social infrastructure, this will definitely enhance our human productivity, because our quality will improve. Human quality will improve. Then this improved quality of human being will definitely improve the human productivity, and it will reflects the quality of our life also. Okay, this will reflect the quality of our life also, and that is why it is called human capital formation. Human capital formation means we are improving the quality of life, we are improving the status of human being. Okay, and that is why it is called human capital formations. In the next we will discuss about the importance of infrastructure.